This is Mutato Match blog number 48, and these are some super colorful Mutatos. This past weekend was pretty cool. We went to UBC to hang out with some of the guys from Academy of VR. They put on a virtual reality workshop, and we put a bunch of people into Mutato Match and let them try it out. We met a lot of nice, cool, enthusiastic people. So thanks guys. Here's a look at some Mutatos after an epic night of partying. Space mutations are finally in the game. So if you throw a Mutato into space, and your recovery pod brings it back, there's a chance it'll have a mutation, like a new texture or weird eyes or something like that. So here's Brad trying to recover one, and all he's getting is space junk, which may be the best art in the game, just kidding Heather. But when the game finally recovers a Mutato, it bugs out and the Mutato is invisible, unless you go downstairs and then back upstairs and then it magically appears. So here it is. This is a combination of the hippo and the turkey space mutations. So these space mutation textures can now be passed down to other Mutatos by breeding them, and then, oh, whoops. Oh, bye. Anyway, part of this particular mutation is this really neat emissive glow that's similar to the lure fishes. Heather's also working on a bat texture mutation that's also going to be discoverable in space. And here's a fun way to crash Mutato Match by jamming two things in a tube at once. Whoopsie doodle. That's it for this week's blog. Thank you very much for watching. If you're in the Vancouver area and are interested in virtual reality, hit us up on Twitter. Maybe we'll let you come play with us.